Here's a question. Which app is better suited to help you alleviate stress and improve sleep? Headspace or Calm? I'm Caroline from Healthnews, and together with the Healthnews research team, we analyzed which app truly deserves the title of the best meditation app. We'll guide you through this Headspace versus Calm comparison to help you choose the perfect fit for your wellness. When it comes to meditation and mindfulness, Headspace and Calm both offer a pretty comprehensive range of features designed to fit into your daily routine. First, both apps provide guided and unguided meditation sessions, covering topics like stress relief, focus, and emotional resilience. Whether you're looking to unwind after a hectic day or tackle anxiety before a big meeting, they've got you covered. Second, for sleep, both apps contain dedicated tools to help you drift off peacefully. Calm is famous for its sleep stories, narrated by celebrities like Harry Styles, Matthew McConaughey, and LeBron James, while Headspace offers sleep meditations, sleep casts, and soundscapes that create a dreamy atmosphere for relaxation. These apps also go beyond meditation, offering mindful movement exercises, masterclasses, journaling tools, and even focus music to potentially boost productivity or relaxation. Both apps cater to a wide range of needs, making them great options for anyone seeking mindfulness. While both Calm and Headspace share a lot of features, the approach differs significantly. Let's start with Calm. This app defines variety and entertainment, with its celebrity-narrated sleep stories standing out as a premium feature. Imagine drifting off to sleep with Matthew McConaughey's soothing voice, or enjoying stories narrated by Harry Styles or Nick Offerman. Calm also includes a vast library of soundscapes and guided meditations for every mood, making it perfect for users who enjoy creative and immersive relaxation options. On the other hand, Headspace focuses on structured learning and simplicity. It's particularly well suited for beginners, with step-by-step courses that teach mindfulness fundamentals. Also, their quick hit sessions, some as short as 3 minutes, are great for busy schedules. All in all, whether you want a guided journey into mindfulness or just a quick moment of calm, both apps have something to offer. The key is deciding which approach resonates most with you. Now, let's talk about aesthetics and ease of use, two areas where Headspace and Calm have distinctly different styles. Calm leans into a nature-inspired design with stunning photography and immersive visuals like serene landscapes and cozy cabins. Opening the app feels like stepping into a virtual spa, instantly relaxing and inviting. In contrast, Headspace features a bright, minimalistic, and animated interface. Its playful, cartoon-like design feels lighthearted and approachable, making it especially appealing for beginners or anyone who prefers simplicity. When it comes to usability, Calm offers a vast library of content, but its less structured design can sometimes feel overwhelming. There's a little bit of everything, but finding exactly what you need might take a moment. Meanwhile, Headspace stands out for its straightforward, beginner-friendly navigation. The app gently guides you through its features, from its introductory meditations to structured courses, making it easier to dive right into mindfulness. When it comes to pricing, Calm and Headspace are fairly similar, but they offer a few different options. With Calm Premium, you'll unlock everything the app has to offer, from hundreds of hours of meditations and exclusive music tracks to their celebrity-narrated sleep stories and Calm Body programs. Headspace gives you access to over 1,000 meditations, sleep tools, and their popular structured courses designed for all levels. If you're ready to explore one of these apps, check out the links in the description or scan the QR code on your screen for a particular app to get the exclusive deal and start your free trial today. And now let's look at how Calm and Headspace help you stay consistent and motivated through their progress tracking and habit formation tools. Both apps give you insights into your meditation journey. Calm tracks your total meditation minutes, the number of sessions you've completed, and your longest streaks. Seeing these stats can be a great way to measure progress and celebrate milestones. Whereas Headspace offers similar metrics, but with an added focus on building consistency, showing streaks, and personalized insights into your meditation habits. Moreover, I think anyone who yearns for consistency will be excited to see that both apps have their particular journey sections. These sections serve as a sort of achievement table. Here you may see personalized goal you must achieve during your sessions while using the apps. Calm offers a journeys screen where you can view all suggested goals you must achieve to reach the next level. When reached, additional apps library features open up. Headspace has a similar section on the main screen called Start Your Day, your afternoon lift, and at night. As you can see, these goals are divided into 3 categories to cover routines throughout the day. Next, to keep you on track, both apps use reminders and push notifications to gently nudge you to meditate or wind down for the night. In this instance, Calm also includes daily motivational blurbs to inspire you to stick to your mindfulness practice. And Headspace complements its reminders with structured courses that encourage regular practice, making it easier to develop a long-term habit. As we've explored, both Calm and Headspace applications offer unique features. However, you may potentially experience several cons as well. First up, Calm's cons. Calm has an overwhelming amount of content. With so much available, newcomers may feel lost or unsure where to start. Moreover, Calm utilizes a less structured approach. Calm's open-ended design might not appeal to users who prefer a clear, guided meditation path. And finally, Calm may seem to have limited filtering options. This means that finding the perfect meditation by length or theme can take extra effort. And what about Headspace's cons? To start with, it's repetitive content. For more experienced meditators, the structured courses and themes may feel redundant over time. Furthermore, it's limited variety. Unlike Calm, Headspace offers fewer storytelling elements with no celebrity narrators or immersive extras. And finally, it's free trial limitations. While there's a trial, most features require a subscription to unlock full access. So, which meditation app is right for you? Calm or Headspace? It all comes down to your personal preferences and goals. Choose Calm if you love a wide variety of relaxing content like celebrity-narrated sleep stories and diverse soundscapes. Also, if you enjoy exploring daily reflections, gratitude exercises, master classes, and journaling tools. And finally, if you prefer a less structured, more open-ended approach to match your mood and needs. Now, choose Headspace if you want a step-by-step guide to meditation, which is perfect for beginners. Also, if you value quick hit sessions that can fit into even the busiest schedules, and if you appreciate a cheerful, straightforward interface that helps you build and maintain consistent mindfulness habits. If improving your mental health is one of your New Year's resolutions, either of these apps could be your go-to tool. Ready to give it a try? Click the links in the description or scan the QR codes on your screen to get exclusive deals today. Find the app that fits your lifestyle and take the first step toward a calmer you. Thanks for watching.